Unlock the meaning of initiation in English. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the word initiation. You may have heard it in movies, read it in books, or even come across it in daily conversations. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. The term initiation refers to the process of starting something. This could be an event, a ceremony, or an action. It comes from the Latin word initiare, which means to begin. Although it's often used to describe formal beginnings, like joining a new organization or starting a new job, it can also be applied to any situation where something begins. Initiation can take on different meanings depending on the context. Let's explore these various types. Ceremonial initiation. This is often what people think of first. It refers to a ritual or ceremony marking the entrance or acceptance into a group or society. Think of fraternities, sororities, or even cultural rites of passage. Professional initiation. This refers to the process of starting a new job or career. It could involve training sessions, introduction to colleagues, or learning about your new role. Personal initiation. Personal initiatives are the beginnings of personal projects or stages in life, like starting a new diet or learning a new skill. Now let's put our word into action. Here are some examples of how initiation can be used in a sentence. The initiation of the club's new members happens every spring. I had an initiation period at my job, which lasted about 2 months. Her initiation into the world of digital art started with that first class. Remember, initiation is usually followed by the preposition into when talking about entering a new group or phase. There are some phrases and idioms that frequently use the word initiation. For instance, initiation rites, specific ceremonies designed to admit new members into a group. Initiation fee, a cost for becoming a member of an organization or club. Self-initiation, the act of starting something on one's own without formal prompting or invitation. There you have it, language learners. Understanding and using the word initiation is now something you can do with confidence. We hope this video has helped demystify this term for you and added a new word to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice it in sentences to make it stick. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.